So I'm going to start off with my Maybelline Orange Corrector, and I'm going to place that under my eyes. And I'm going to blend it out with a dry sponge that I kind of just got from Walmart. I haven't been using any beauty blenders recently. I kind of saw that it was kind of more of a pain to use it. So I just put it underneath my lip as well. And now I'm going to conceal my under eyes with shade 15 Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. So now I'm just spot concealing since I'm not really fond of like putting too much foundation, so I kind of just want to hit everything by just concealing it. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Dream Matte Mousse from Maybelline, and I'm just gonna start from the middle of my face and I'm gonna blend outwards. Now I'm going to go ahead and set it with my Stay Fit, I believe. And now I'm going to go ahead and shape my eyebrows with a pomade I got from 100% Pure. And I believe I got mine in soft brown, but I think the taupe one can work just as fine as well. And I'm using a Morphe straight flat brush, just because I kind of was going for the straight eyebrows look. Now I'm going to take my Dolly Wink eyeliner in black, and I'm going to try to just make it, in a sense, the wing, instead of winging it out and getting that super crisp line. It's more going towards down than it is going up. And now I'm just going to repeat the process. Now I'm going to proceed with tight lining as well. I got this in black in 100% Pure as well. And go ahead and choose whatever mascara you want. I have mine from Maybelline. So now I'm going to apply blush right underneath my eyes. I start from the pupil of my eyes, going up and out towards my temple. And lightly dust it on the nose. Now we're going to proceed with doing the lip makeup. I got my NYX lip liner. I kind of forgot what shade it was, so I'm going to go ahead and link that anyway. I also fill it in just so that it has like that staying power. And I'm going to go ahead and take my NYX Soft Matte. I also forgot this shade, so I'll go ahead and link it. And I'm taking the wine type of ink thingy. I keep forgetting the names of everything. But it's kind of like a darker pink. And then I'm going to take the Cream Pie Patrick Star lip gloss from MAC. Now for false lashes. So mine is just the natural false lashes. I'm not really fond of the super thick ones. I just wanted to keep it more natural rather than overbearing on the eyes. And we're done. So I actually forgot to film an outro. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. That way you guys are notified every time that we upload. We don't really upload very consistently since me and Jem actually live apart, and we have kind of full-time jobs as well. So we kind of do YouTube on the side. So I hope you guys liked the video, and I hope you guys are going to look forward to the next video I have on Otome Kei fashion, because this video is like an acting point of my transition to street fashion to Otome Kei. So I hope you guys look forward to that haul. Alright, see you guys next time.